Definitely in some different terrain today. I don't know what these roads are going to have in store for us. And I'm sweeping for the group. You're right. The reason why I volunteered to sweep this group today is simply for the fact that I don't go too aggressive on roads that I don't know. And I want to look at some of the scenery. Yard. Huh. That's cool. The only bad thing about being in the last group, we split up into 3 different groups, but the only thing bad about being in the last group is you don't know what the other 2 groups did in front of you that may have pissed somebody off. That's what sucks about being in the last group. This would be one hell of a sandy road had it not rained. Don't do that, buddy. Don't do that. Oh, here we go. Yeah. This yeah. I used to be a hothead like that. Yeah, so that is one thing that's different from where we normally ride. Where we normally ride, the people are different. They're not rednecks. Out here you got a lot of rednecks, and for those of y'all that don't know the difference, they do shit like that. They're very emotional in their actions. They don't think with their heads a lot. I know, I used to be like that. Whereas out west, those people are more, I don't want to say civilized. They're basically, whenever shit breaks loose, you don't want to be around those people because they're just going to get you killed. You want to be hanging around rednecks whenever shit hits the fan. So, yeah, that's, if that kind of describes anything. Yeah, that's the difference of riding out on the western parts of Texas. But once you go east of Houston, you start getting into Redneckville. Yeah, a lot of rednecks. Crockett National Forest. Turn off your blinker, goober. I think I ran over coyote shit. And if you haven't ran over coyote shit, let me just tell you, coyote shit is horrible. It smells so bad. I mean, I don't even think rotten food smells that bad.
Yeah, oh my Lord, watch me sway. Darkness falls and we all pray, hoping for the light of day. Down to the river I have held the devil's hand, felt the weight of my own sin, burdened by the heart of man. Down to the river, down to the river. Oh, bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath, oh, fire and water me, going down deep, saying, oh, bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath, oh, fire and water me, watching me clean, kerosene creek. Mama taught me how to live, Daddy taught me how to give. Both of them had their own sins. Down to the river, every man has felt the shame. All our blood, it runs the same. Father, hear us as we pray.
Except for that one, like, you know, you go around a corner.
Well, that was it. Do half the ride like normal. Now I got a 2-hour ride home. 2 hours to ride home. Yeah. Great ride, great ride. And as per usual, fucking drama. Drama ensued like a normal. Alright guys, well, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate y'all watching. And we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.